guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I came up with this makeup look. It's just a really bold glittery gold eye with a dark chocolatey brown eye as well. What am I trying to say? But also with a bold lip. So yeah, I was kind of in the mood for like a bold eye, bold lip type of look. So this is it. This is what I came up with. If you guys want to see how I came up with this makeup look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Let's go. So I ran out of foundation and concealer yesterday, so I decided to pick some up, and I figured I would do a makeup tutorial for you guys. So I'm the L'Oreal True Match in the shade W4. It is my go-to foundation. I love this stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. I'm just gonna dot it everywhere. And then I'm just gonna go in with a Real Technique beauty sponge and blend everything out. So I'm just popping open my new concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. Like, this concealer is everything. I do not need anything else in my life. Yeah. Alright, so this is always fun when you have to like make sure it doesn't explode all over you. Are you coming out yet? Yes, no, maybe. Ooh, there you are. There you are, girl. This thing has amazing coverage. Looks amazing underneath the eyes. I love it. Ooh. And I kind of did a click or two more than I should have done, but we're gonna make it work. And I also like to use this concealer as eyelid primer. It is the best. Like, I do not use MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot anymore. I usually grab for this more often. Right, and then I'm going to go into my Coty Airspun, and I'm just going to bake underneath the eyes and also on top of my eyelids. And then to set the rest of my face, I just quickly take whatever powder I have left on the lid, and then I just bake the rest of my face as well. Not bake, but you know what I mean. Set it. So today I'm going to be going in with the Beauty Balm. Today I'm going to be going in with Bronze Booster in the shade Medium to Dark. And I'm just going to be swirling my brush up in this. And as you see, it gives like a really nice like glow, like nothing crazy, just a little bit of a bronze. Just like that. And then I kind of just squish my brush and go along the sides of my nose. Like that. Next, I'm going to be going in with Hoola bronzer, and I'm running out. Look at that. Look at the pan. And I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild brush. This is the contour brush, I believe, and I love it to contour with. Kind of reminds me of the brush that this came with, but I lost eventually. It's somewhere in my room. And I just run it up here. Not sure why I went that low today, but we're gonna clean that up, no worries. All right, next I'm gonna be going into the Too Faced contour palette, going into the shade Medium Mocha. And I'm just going to contour with as well. Run whatever's left over on the sides of the nose. Up the temple. And to further blend everything out, I'm gonna go in with the Luxie small contouring brush and just blend out. I'm just going to slightly go into deep mocha and just barely touch it. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the darkness up here, not too much. And then I'm gonna go back in with that same brush and just blend everything together. Alright, so now we can go in and clean up the contour because I have it really harsh, but I like it like this. Like if you don't like it like this, then go light-handed, but a girl likes her contour. I'm gonna go into the Cocoa Butter shade, just like a yellow shade. I need another new palette. Or I don't know. I wonder if they sell these individually. If you're not trying to go that intense, then don't go in with the this powder, the Coty Airspun, because it is a lot lighter and it will give you like a real prominent crease, prominent contour, like, you know. But I'm gonna film some videos today, so I'm okay with it. This is kind of just like my go-to filming makeup, I want to say, you know, how I do my makeup when I film my videos. So that's what I'm showing you, just so like the lighting, you know, I can get more contour and the lighting can look good, and that's kind of what I'm doing here, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Blush, I'm not gonna bore you with Milani Luminoso today. I'm gonna be going into the Sephora palette that I have, and I don't remember where I got this blush. I'm pretty sure, I'm almost like 100% sure that it is L'Oreal. I don't even know, to be honest. And then this one here is called Sunny Spice by Mary Kay. It's a really pretty shade, and what I like to do is just blend the two. Kind of gives you like the whole luminoso. I think that's why I love them. I really like soft pinky peachy shades. Hopefully, because I opened my like slide door, so I'm getting amazing lighting. Let me know how you think the quality of this video is, like lighting wise. And there's like snow on the ground, so it's just like giving me some white natural lighting, and it's amazing. But the neighbor's window is open, and if they can see me right now, because I have my window wide open. I'm in my like dining area, and then back there's my living room, so kind of change up the setting. I hate to like sit in the same spot every time. Like if you guys notice, if you go through my videos, I'm like all over the damn place. You'll be like, girl, sit still. Okay, moving on to highlighting today. I'm gonna go a little bit back old school. Oh my gosh, I have not used this in forever. This is Mary Lou Luminizer by The Balm. Dang, I like almost forgot. Because it is too light for me, like it's just very bright. We'll see if we have to mix it in with Wet n Wild. I just kind of want to give Wet n Wild a break because, yeah. Ooh, girl, oh my goodness. Ooh, I forgot how much I liked like the really intense highlight. Like this is really intense. This is really intense for like my skin tone, you know? It's really pretty. I'm not afraid of highlight. If you're not new to my channel, you would know I'm not afraid of highlight. The bridge of my nose, tip of my nose. And I'm kind of over the Cupid bow highlight, kind of over it. I used to be all about it. And wow, I did a lot of nose highlight today, so. This is how I do my makeup when I film videos, because I want to be a little extra, like you can see me better on the, what am I trying to say, guys? So I'm just gonna quickly like dust away some of this because whew, it is intense. But alright, so I'm gonna go in with my little MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Today I'm off of work for 8 days, so I have some time to film videos. So if you want like a special video review or anything on anything, let me know in the comments down below. do not be shy. Be like, hey, I want you to review this new product. I will go look for it, I will get it, and I will review it for you, so let me know. And now we're gonna go to the brows. I need to pluck my eyebrows, wax them, but I'm gonna go in with my favorite brow product. This is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. I do prefer medium brown. I need to go get me a pot. But I mean, this stuff lasts forever, like years, a year. And so I don't wanna be wasteful, you know? Alright, so that's gonna have to do with the brows. I don't feel like I'm having a great brow day, only because, like, you know, when your brows are out of place and like they're outgrown, it just makes you feel some type of way, and I'm just not loving them. I'm just like, oh, I don't want to look at them longer. So we're gonna be okay with this, and we're gonna get started with the eyeballs. No idea what I'm doing today. I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look, but in case I cannot get this video up in time for Valentine's Day, I didn't want to disappoint you guys and be like, this is Valentine's Day look and it's like past Valentine's. So the color is gonna be gold. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go off gold, so we'll see. Let's just go ahead and get started though. I'm going into my very much loved Morphe palette. As you can see, this baby has been through it roughly. Like, I need a new one. I need a new one. So I'm gonna go into a couple shades here. I'm just gonna go into these two, and I'm just gonna be working those into my crease. So I'm going to be going in with this MAC shade and in the shade Cork, and I'm just going to go in with the 217 brush. And I'm going to start working this in the outer corner and working it into the crease as well, just slowly. And then just going in with my E40 and blending everything out. Then I'm gonna go back into this orangey shade right here from the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna further blend out the crease. This is just gonna help the colors have a nice transition. All right, next to further deepen the crease or the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with the shade Caramel by Anastasia. Applying this to the outer corner and just blending it in. Okay, and today I want to really accentuate, I really want to deepen the outer corner, so I'm going to go in with Carbon by MAC. I'm just going to take a little bit on the outer corner, like only the outer corner. Add a tiny bit more to this side, and I just really want to focus this on the outer V, nowhere else. I'm just going in and blending everything together. For the lower lash line, you know the drill. If you are not new to my channel, I do everything that I did on top to the bottom. For the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to go in with luminizer as well. And then I'm just going to go into Petal Pusher and I'm going to highlight the brow bone. Now all over the lid, I'm going to go in with ColourPop. This is really old. It's called Get Lucky. And I'm pretty sure this is its like last go, you know? I don't know. It's kind of worn out. I used it. It's going to be applying to the lid. It used to be like an amazing color. I'm gonna go in with just a brown shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna help blend this out. So what I'm gonna do to save this situation, I'm gonna go into some gold glitter. You can never fail with this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on the lid. Oh yeah, this definitely helped fix the problem. I'm gonna go in with Swiss Chocolate by MAC, and I'm gonna be working this on the outer corner, helping intensify. Oh yeah, this is really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. And these eyelashes are in the style Corset by Kiss. I will leave it in the description down below. So everything I used, you can go check that out. You can wear this look on Valentine's Day, not for your man, but for yourself. You can just go have a night out on town with your friends for Valentine's Day, and this look would look amazing. Gold eyelids and red lips. So we're gonna do a red lip, and yeah, we'll see. Either this will turn out to be just a glam look or an anti-Valentine look. So I'm going to be using Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the shade Red the Scene. So this is like a really pretty red, so let's go ahead and try this out. And it's definitely not going to match my outfit, but I'm sorry. Kind of like a mixture. It's like a blue red. It's like a mixture of pink and red, you know? Alright guys, so I quickly slipped on a black shirt just so it wouldn't look that weird. Alright, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really like the way that it came out. Gold eyes, red lips, kind of like a pinky red lip. It looks really good. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up because it helped. Let me know what makeup look you want to see next, and I will do it for you. So see you guys in my next one. Bye.